In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Gmail. Now, the ability to keep track of your thoughts and ideas right alongside your emails can be incredibly beneficial. Whether you're jotting down important details from a conversation or setting reminders for yourself, having notes attached to your emails can make your workflow more efficient and organized. Let's get started with the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing Gmail. Come into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're prompted, enter your login credentials to access your Gmail account. Once you're in, take a look around your inbox. You might notice that while Gmail doesn't have a built-in notes functionality, there's still a way to integrate notes with your emails. We're going to utilize Google Keep, a handy note-taking service from Google that integrates seamlessly with Gmail. To access Google Keep within Gmail, look to the right-hand side of your inbox. You'll see a panel with icons for various Google apps. If you don't see it right away, it may be minimized, so click on the arrow at the bottom of the panel to expand it. Locate the Google Keep icon, which looks like a small light bulb, and click on it. Google Keep will open up as a sidebar right next to your emails, allowing easy access and visibility. Now, you can start creating a note. Simply click on the Take a Note button. A new note will pop up where you can type anything you want to remember. Let's say you want to add a reminder from an email conversation or save important points discussed. Go ahead and create your note, typing in details as needed. You can also add a title to your note to keep things organized and easy to find. If you need to reference specific parts of an email, you can copy text from the email and paste it into your note, ensuring all relevant information is stored together. Once you've finished adding information to your note, it will automatically save and sync across your devices, thanks to Google's integration. This means you can access your notes not just on Gmail, but also on other devices where you're logged into your Google account. If you later revise or need to check your notes, click the Google Keep icon again, and you'll see a list of all your notes. This integration is a fantastic way to stay organized and ensure you don't miss any crucial information from your email exchanges. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've learned how to add notes in Gmail using the power of Google Keep, enhancing your email experience with effective note-taking. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!